Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, August 23, 2021. The overnight session has started the week fairly strong here as we get going here this Monday morning. We've seen the markets open up and take off to the upside here early on, and we are now trading at the highs of the session as we approach the open. So we're going to look at something a little bit different this morning. We're going to be looking at an overnight pattern for the S&P specifically. And what we're going to be looking at is what has happened historically when the overnight session opens near the lows and then closes near the highs on a Monday morning. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I've got the S&P selected here specifically, and it will be entering at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the pattern here is going to be based upon the open of the overnight session being in the bottom 25% of its overnight range, and then closing near the top of the range. So I'm going to use close in the top 25% of the overnight range. Next, I'm going to go into the indicators, and I'm going to put us above a 200-day simple moving average. And that's the only moving average that I'm going to use for this study. I could put it below a 10. It's not going to make a big difference. So I'm going to keep as many samples as possible. And then lastly, I'm going to go into the calendar library, and I'm going to say that today is Monday, so we're getting the week started off this way. I've got equals here next to Monday. That adds it to the test. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is a Monday and the overnight session takes off from the open and then pushes higher towards the open of the regular trading hour session. So the overnight session opens near the lows, it closes near the highs, which means that the open of the regular trading hours is right near the highs of the overnight session. So this is taking place above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, there's 94 samples to look at in the S&P dating back to 2003. The win rate on these just shy of 62%. The average win is a little smaller than the average loss, but historically it is finishing above the opening print more often than not. So historically speaking, if you get that strong overnight session to start the Monday trading session, it typically goes higher in the regular trading hours as well. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.